Hello and welcome. This is Alethea of Sewing. You're looking at a goal completed of 2023 Project Dresser Girl. I did 13 dresses. Join the fun. Very, very fun and rewarding. And here is Marty.
I'm Marty from Marty Sews, and I'm the founder of Project Dresser Girl, the month-long event where we all sew dresses for girls living in extreme poverty. All of the dresses that we're making need to be able to slip over a little girl's head without any kind of fasteners, all except fabric ties and elastic. You can use those too. Now you can sew any size up to a size 12, but please make sure that your fabrics are all natural fabrics. They can be a blend, so if you've got a blend that is mostly natural, that's okay. But do make sure that your fabrics are not sheer. And if you by chance happen to have a sheer fabric, go ahead and line that. And while we're talking about fabrics, let's avoid any of those cartoon character themes like Disney characters and the like. No words on your fabric, because we don't know where these dresses are gonna go and what language they speak. No country specifics like flags or holiday themes. And please, no pillowcases. Don't waste your precious sewing time making a dress out of a pillowcase that won't get donated. No one wants that to happen. Do include at least one pocket on your dress. The more the merrier. They're the perfect place to place your Project Dresser Girl label or your Dresser Girl Around the World label. My favorite place is to put it right on the little shoulder right there. You can get these labels right here, the Project Dresser Girl labels, over on my website. The sales from these labels do help with the event cost. Anything that is left over ends up getting donated to Dresser Girl Around the World. But of course, you can also use this label that you can get from Dresser Girl Around the World. And this year, I'm really hoping that we can hit that 7,000 mark so that way we can help 7,000 little girls. We keep track of all of the dresses that are getting donated, which means that you, my friend, you need to let me know how many dresses you've made for a donation. And you can do that one of two ways. You can either post your picture on Instagram using the hashtag Project Dresser Girl 2024 and tag me at Marty Sews for Curves. If you're not on Instagram, no worries. Just send me an email to projectdressergirl@gmail.com and my team will be happy to record your final numbers. Now, if you're wondering, well, Marty, how do I actually collect these dresses? I've got you covered. You can either find a local ambassador who has opted in to receiving dresses from this event. And if you don't have a nearby ambassador, feel free to ship me your dress. If you have any questions or want any details, go and check out the kickoff video over at Marty Sews. You can also send an email to me at projectdressergirl@gmail.com. And by the way, in case you haven't done it yet, make sure that you subscribe to this video right down there. Check out those little buttons down there. Subscribe, hit that bell, and turn on all of your notifications because you don't want to miss any of the amazing videos that this amazing YouTube creator is making for you. I mean, you really don't want to miss another dress, do you?
I'm highlighting this area that may be a difficult spot in making your dresses, and these are the shoulder straps. They are narrow straps, so you have to turn them over. This is the product that I use. Has a guide on the back. You slip the tube inside all the way to the end. I've shown this before. Then the tube, pushing the material through, pull this out, and voila. Then you take the pointed edge, go in and poke out your corners. See how easily they're coming out. Don't poke too hard, you may poke a hole. So this is how you use these little tools. Of course, you have to press it. Another difficult area that may be difficult for the beginners who are trying to start their dresses from the beginning, and is applied around the neck edge and the armholes. See, arms folded like this. There is no stretch at all, and it has to go around a circular part of the garment. The instructions ask you, and this is a single fold seam, and the instruction is asking that you open up one edge, press it lightly, and apply this crease 3/8 of an inch from the raw edge of your garment all the way around the neck edge of your garment. To start, the raw edge is here. The crease is 3/8 of an inch from the edge of the garment, and you're gonna sew right in this crease, which will be 3/8 from the edge, folding under a 1/2 inch of your tape before you start, and apply it to 3/8 of an inch and start sewing. When you get to the end on the other side, you're gonna leave a 1/2 inch also on this side and sew. So here is the completed neck edge with the bias tape, no stretch. This is the back side of your garment, and this is the front side. So this is my second dress. Unfortunately, it's gonna be my only dress this year. Sewing the top stitching, the seam binding. Let's continue on with this. I have put my basting stitches in, and I'm gonna sew around the top of the basting stitches. And so this is the final touches and the completion of the dress. There are the 2 pockets. And 2, 3 buttons, 4 buttons. 2 up the top and 1 on each pocket. And don't forget the 2 little ties at the top of the dress. And of course, I'm going to announce the winner in this video. The winner for the 900 achievement mark is Vanessa. You are the winner, 3508. Vanessa 3508. You are the winner for the 900 achievement mark. I want to thank you for coming to visit and share with me my Project Dress the Girl 2024. I appreciate all the subscribers, and thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Sweet sewing inspirations. Bye.